Okay, welcome everyone. As we are sponsored by Yisrael Fisher, Lili Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbat, Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain. We're also sponsored Lili Nishmas David ben Chaim, L'Refu Shalema, for Yomis ben Chayesar, Yaakov ben Bas Yaleah, for the Schus of Avram and Yom Benish ben Malk Yudith and family. We're sponsored by Yod Klugman and family for the Parnas Gzunt and Nachas. We learn the L'Refu Shalema for Avigdor Aryeh ben Rivka Hinda Bas Chayesara, Chana Bas Shashabina, Rivka Bas Shira Leah, Moshe Meir ben Esther Fradel, Yitzchak ben Sion ben Dusha, and Meir ben Chayesara. They should have the L'Refu Shalema, V'sei Shachar Yisrael. We start the 13th parak of Zevachim. HaShoichet v'amala b'chutz. We know that we're not allowed to slaughter or smoke up kachim outside of the temple. If done b'shogeg, it's a chatas. If done b'mezid, it's one of the 36 isurei karas. So hashoichet v'amala b'chutz, if somebody shechts a carbon or smokes it up outside of the Beis Hamikdash, chayiv ala shchita, v'chayiv ala aliyah. He's chayiv separate, a chatas for the shechting it, and a chatas for smoking it up. Rabbi Yisrael Glili Yomer, shachat bifnim, if he shechted it on the inside, so it's still fit to be offered up, then vehela bechutz, when he offers it up on the outside, chayiv. It's chayiv, a chatas or karas if he did it b'mezid. But shachat bechutz, if he shechted it on the outside, now it's disqualified. Vehela bechutz, he's not chayiv for smoking it up, because once he shechted it outside, it's disqualified. It's not roy anymore for the inside. And if it's not roy anymore for the inside, so then when he smokes it up outside, he's not chayiv a chatas or karas. Potter. Shaloi hela b'chutz ela davar pasel. He only brought outside something that was pasel. Amrulai, so they told him, if so, even if he shechted it inside, but once he takes it outside, it's nifsal b'yotzei, then he shouldn't be chayiv for smoking it up outside. Amrulai afa sheichet b'fnim umala b'chutz kevin shoytziyoi, once he took it out, psalei. Of course, those that argue hold that since initially it was fit, that's enough to be chayiv for smoking it up outside. Now, in the din of tumah, if somebody eats kachim b'tumas haguf, that is an isser karas, and if done b'shogeg, it's a chatas. Somebody that eats kachim that's tameh, that's only a lav. Relatively, it's only a lav. Now, tameh, she'achel, someone who's tameh that eats, bein kodesh tameh, bein kodesh tar chayiv. The Talmud Kama holds that one who has tumas haguf, whether he eats kachim that's tameh, or whether he eats kachim that's tar, either way, if done b'mezid, it's an isser karas. If it's done b'shogeg, it's a chatas. Rabbi Yisrael Glili says no. That's only if he eats kachim that's tar. But if he eats kachim that's tameh, since it's already tameh, and his eating it is not metameh it, he doesn't get karas. Let's see Rabbi Yisrael Glili inside. Rabbi Yisrael Glili Yomer, tameh she'achal tar, there he's chayiv. There he gets karas, or if it's b'shogeg, he gets a chatas. But the tameh she'achal tameh pater. Why? Shelo yachal ela davar tameh. Now, let me explain to you that the Rabbanim have a very big taina according to him. They say even if he eats kachim that's tar, but once he touches it, it becomes tameh before he eats it. Now, so what's Takab Pshat and Rabbi Yisrael Glili? Rabbi Yisrael Glili says, when is he potter? He's potter in the event that the kachim was tameh before the man became tameh. So therefore, the isser was first not to eat it because it was tameh, and only then there comes an isser that he's tummy and he shouldn't eat it. And Rabbi Yossi Aglili holds ein iser chal al iser. One iser is not chal on the other iser. And therefore, since ein iser chal al iser, that's why he's potter. But in the event where the person was tamei first, even though when he touches it, he makes it tamei, but since he was tamei first, so there, the iser of tuma of the mensch was chal first, and that's why it's an iser kares or an iser chatas. Now the Mishnah rounds out v'tor she'achal tamei. When a tor eats kachim that's tamei, potter, there's no iser kares, there's no chatas, it's just a lav. She'eina chayev elal tumas aguf. The kares is only if he is tamei and the kachim is tar. We want to thank you very much for joining us for this triple crown of learning, and have a wonderful evening.